Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Pickcrafters here, and today we got a little bit of something different today. It's not a weather video; it's actually another gaming video. Today we're going to be playing this game called Cookie Clicker. It's basically kind of like Pickcrafter and all the other Clicker Idol games or whatever you want to call it. It's basically exactly like this. I'm sure most of you guys heard of it. I mean, it's been around for a while. We're playing the recent one, which has the legacy, and you need 1 trillion cookies for the next level. That's quite a bunch. So today our goal is to go and get 400,000 in the span of about 10 minutes, or maybe even 15. Yeah, 15 minutes. So let's start clicking. Yeah, this might be laggy. Oh, look, we already unlocked the uncanny clicker. If you guys don't know what that is, then we'll show you here. It means you have to click really, really fast. And my mouse is kind of like that. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is my clicking. It's pretty fast. All right, we're clicking till it's hot. Hope that didn't sound wrong to any of you. Yeah, we have to try to get 400,000 cookies. Look at this. My bakery's even got zombie potato. I am a zombie. Thank you. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not a zombie. I mean, if you want me to be, I will exactly be a zombie. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna put on an auto clicker because I'm gonna freaking do that. I'm gonna search up freaking cookie. Actually, the auto clickers would be cheating. That's cheating. And we don't have cheaters here. Look at my grandma. It's Natasuski, and she's freaking old. Look at this. 102. Wow. Um, wouldn't recommend that. Um, oh, we already got 9 curses. 10 curses now. Now we're gonna save up for this 500 power up. The more efficient clicker. Actually, no, let's buy another grandma. And this one's name is Darling. Who names her grandma Darling? I mean, you can call her Darling, but I don't know. And yeah, guys, sorry if you guys can hear my clicking. It's I can't really help that. I mean, unless if you want me to mute the audio and then you can't hear my voice, which that would be no good. Here, I'll try to click send. Okay, well, how has everybody's day been? Has it been great? Has it been bad? I don't know. Oh, look, we have unlocked the carpal tunnel prevention cream. You know, I honestly don't know what that means. Okay, so clear all my achievements. And I've also heard by my fellow friend, it's not any of my weather friends, but it's actually someone from school. They were playing Cookie Clicker, and then they did this thing to get like kind of like either like a secret achievement or like just an achievement in general. So what you have to do is you have to click these green dots up here. He taught me this, and I was just amazed. And then apparently you had to do something with this zoom button. You had to zoom in all the way, and then you would get this somehow this achievement. Ah! And then if I zoom back out, I'll see the achievement. Was it right? I don't think it was right. I think well, actually, I thought it worked before, but guess it is what it is. Alright, should we? Yeah, let's buy more grandma and buy more curses while we're at it. How much is 10 curses? It's 1,000. Alright, we're gonna try to save up for that. Yes, I know I'm doing this just for just for 10 of these. 1,000,000. What? That's insane. Okay. I'm not even gonna bother on that. I'm not even gonna save up that much. That would take like probably a couple weeks. It would take a couple weeks to get to 1,000,000,000 at this rate because I'm getting 9 per second. That would at least take a week or two. Actually, no. We'll buy the grandma. And I'll buy another cursor. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. We'll get another one. Ah, what happened? I think I just broke it. Okay. I have no idea what just happened there. I hope it saved my progress. It better have. If it didn't save my progress, I'm gonna be freaking mad. Okay. I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be like this mad. God. Ah! Okay. Don't bother that. Wait, what's on my grandma's name? Forgotten AB? Daryl? Okay, well, I have no idea. Yeah, guys, sorry for the flagging. I'm gonna try to fix that. Hopefully. Wait, how much have my grandma's been doing? Not much. How much? Okay, so someone said for me to. Alright, I started 6 minutes ago. So that's something. Alright, well, I'm nowhere near 400,000. I mean, I have 400, but I'm nowhere near that 400,000. So I'm gonna save up for that farm. Hey, I got the farm. I got the farm. Right. There's more cursors. Got some more cursors while we're at it. Okay. I guess we'll save up that. I mean, using auto clicker would be absolutely cheating. Okay, 1,000 cookies clicked so far, 1,000 baked, and about 100 farmed. No, it's harvest, it's not farmed. That would make no sense. Hey, how's it going? Okay. I wish I could make longer videos. God. I am hungry. Alright, we'll buy some more farms, more grandmas. Yeah, guys, I definitely know that we're not going to make it to 400,000 by the end of this video, but hey, we're at least trying, okay? You know what? Maybe I actually, like, the next episode, we're not going to set any goals or anything like that. We're just going to be, just doing whatever. So the next episode is when I might actually turn the auto clicker on because I know how to cheat on Cookie Clicker, if you guys didn't know. Yeah, I'm pretty good at cheating, but I'm also pretty good at explaining why, right? Yeah. But next episode I might just use an auto clicker for this game because I just don't like clicking this gosh darn cookie. Just look how much I clicked. I clicked 1,000 times. See, cookie clicks 1,000 times. Okay, and it's been only 8 minutes. But you know what? We're gonna see if we can get 2,000 clicks. Ooh, let's see if we can get 2,000 clicks before 10 minutes. Yeah. Actually, no, before 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's see if we can get 2,000 clicks before 9 minutes and 30 seconds. How about that? I'm gonna do it. We will do it. Okay, buy another farm. Whatever. Ah! Okay, we're gonna do this. We will get 2,000 clicks before 9 minutes and 30 seconds. I believe we can do it. Ah! This hurts so bad. Come on, keep clicking. Ah! Ah, God. Yeah, I don't think we'll make it. Nope, we're not gonna make it. No, we didn't make it. We were pretty close though. Alright, farms are twice as efficient. Sounds great. So guys, I might just do, we'll get it to 2,000 clicks and then we'll end this episode. How about that? Because I have a feeling that's like the goal. yeah, next episode I'm definitely gonna be turning on this auto clicker, okay? Alright, we're almost at 2,000 clicks. Okay, nope. Handmade cookies. Oh, I thought that was the evil number. Okay, well, we made it to 2,000 clicks, so, how about that, guys? Yeah, we're gonna end this episode right now. Please, thank you guys for watching. Um, share this with your friends if you'd like, and, I will see you guys in the next video. An uncanny clicker. Okay. Okay, well, guys, I will see you guys in the next episode. And yes, I will be making part 2, maybe in a couple of hours. We'll see. But anyway, at last, bye-bye.